Yo, what is up, you guys? It is your.
Hey, it's your boy, Skinny.
Today we got mac and cheese, baby. Let's get it. So today for this recipe, super easy. You're just gonna crack it open, and it tells you to like microwave it for 5 to 6 minutes and stand for 1 minute. But today we are not going to do that. Hey, didn't win. But I am gonna put it in for like 4 minutes, probably. Yeah, 4 minutes. I'm gonna pierce with a fork, So I'm gonna put this in for 4 minutes. So while that baby's in the microwave, we're gonna make our breadcrumbs. So honestly, I do love the mac and cheese just like by itself, but like just like a little crispy topping, always takes it at another level. And everyone who doesn't have breadcrumbs in their house. I mean, if you don't, I'm sorry. That's kind of like a dig. But like, I'm probably gonna put 1/3, maybe like a little more. That's probably good. 1/3 and a little bit. So then I'm going to, this right here, Johnny's. I don't know, it's like garlic. It says garlic spreaded seasoning, but I use it for like chicken and stuff. And it'd be fresh pack too. Sheesh. So I'm probably gonna put in, holy, my spoon. That sucks. Now I only have 1 teaspoon and a tablespoon and a half. We'll have to work with it. So I'm gonna put heaping tablespoon, probably 2 teaspoons. Maybe 2.5. Got some great value garlic powder. Probably gonna put a teaspoon of that. And then some paprika. I love paprika. You could just put it on like anything, honestly. You could put it on like a tire. MF tire. Oh, this is terrible. This is bad. So, I am gonna unfortunately have to use this large whisk because I cannot seem to find my mini whisk. So you just wanna like, combine all the parts, make it do a little something. Act like you know how to do. It's cool. I literally have, this is basically garlic powder. You can use garlic powder, and paprika, and breadcrumb. And you got Trader Joe's. So, now that this is ready, ooh. See, that extra minute would have, definitely melted all that cheese, but we don't want that. We don't want that because we're making it better. So I do want to mix it up though. Ooh, wee. You know what that sound like? That's the sound.
That's what good sounds like.
Nice and hot. Top it with Parmesan cheese, baby. So we're gonna throw this in the pan. If you have a pan that's like fits appropriately, I'd recommend that, but I do not. Like a little like baby pan would work. But for now I'm just gonna, you know, shape it up a little bit. Okay, so now we got that, and we're gonna throw this slab of butter in there. Again, butter. I get why Paula Deen was like, yo. Because I'm like, yo, this should be hidden sometimes. I don't know why. I couldn't tell. But so I just want to like toast this a little bit with the butter. I guess I should like melted more butter and like drizzled it on top, but who am I? Gordon Ramsay? No. It's Chef Fuliano content, boy. We run these streets. No streets to be ran, but yeah. So you just want to get them nice and golden, but I don't know. I don't want it to be clumpy either, so that's why I'm like, because the butter makes it like clump up. Ooh. Smelling real good. Looking real good. See, look, you just want to be like, you know, kind of golden. On top of that, mac and cheese. Ooh wee. With this nice little breadcrumb topping. You want it to be even, but you know, also you want a bite that just got like extra breadcrumbs, you know? Breadcrumb throughout, because that's ooh. Sometimes you just get like a full breadcrumb bite and you're just like, I'm not mad, honestly, you know? I'm just gonna lay this out. So evenly. And then this right here is a premier and if you don't have a toaster oven, get one instantly. Honestly, best investment like ever. Cause like it could bake, it could broil, it could keep warm, it could toast. But today we're just gonna bake on really high. I guess you could broil, but I don't really like the broil, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna hit on 450. And top this with some parm. And it's gonna come out absolutely spectacular. I promise you. Pinky promise, eh? Pinky promise. Who said there was never enough? Too much parm. Who makes up these rules, huh? Okay, I'm gonna throw it in, even though it's not preheated. But you're gonna watch it work its magic. I'll get some close-ups. Ooh, look at that. The edges are getting a little burnt, but I want the top to be crispy. Sacrifices. We're making sacrifices. Oh my gosh, it smells nice. It smells so nice. Yo. Ooh. Look at that. All right, I want to try this, so. Ooh. This looks so gas. Look at that. Sheesh. Oh, fuck. Whatever. Side bite. The garlic, so hand in hand with the Parmesan. I paid for worse, honestly. Have paid for worse. One thing is, get better Parmesan. This like Parmesan is, I think the moisture was a little too low or something, because it took a while for it to crisp up, which usually doesn't happen. But, dude, you gotta do it. You have to. So good. Tastes up. You could be like, yo, have someone over and be like, yeah, I made this from scratch. And they'd be like, looks like it, you know? Just saying. Do it. Just do it. Ah!
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it!